Hey guys, do you ever just take a walk close to the house? You can actually see a lot. I've been looking at the flowers and trees and leaves and just taking a walk. Pretty nice. It's a nice evening for a walk. And God's got a whole lot for us to see. There's a lot of beauty to be seen. Just out taking a walk. Not really going nowhere today far away or anything, but just walking down the road by the house. Seeing what I can see. Seeing what I can behold today. Taking you on the little adventure with me. Sometimes we just need to take a walk. There's plenty of these around, folks. There's just all kinds of uniqueness. Everywhere you walk, there's something. Whether I'm out in the Big South Fork or the Daniel Boone National Forest or an overlook or river or waterfall or arch or whatever it may be, we're just taking a walk around a circle by the house. See them? And I just tend to notice everything. Fall colors are starting to come in. Tell you, when you get out in nature, you're just opening up God's coloring book. What an architect, what a designer that he is. Look at them guys. Plenty of things to behold. Some more of them up there on that tree. So yeah, we should just take the time to enjoy nature. Sort of God's medicine of helping you and I sometimes when life gets tough or whatever, just get out and go for a stroll and just relax a little bit. And always talk to the Lord, of course, because he will help you and I if we'll just trust in him and live for him. Well, I just love the yellow flowers. There's all kinds of yellow flowers, folks. There'll be more and more color to come in. This time sure fly by. So why not make the best of it? See what, the squirrels have really been working hard this year. Just wonder what winter's gonna be like. Get that leaf there, guys. Look at these. All the different colors. Close up view, guys. There's a lot of things to be seen. Look at this. See the nuts? Well, I find peace in this, find comfort in it. Find comfort in my relationship with Christ. You can too. Look at the woods, guys. Plenty of woods around here. This little guy had to follow me. Just as ornery and curious as can be. I took a walk, so he had to take a walk with me. Look at these woods, guys. Woods and more woods to be seen. You ever just feel like you need to get out of the house? Take you a walk. Go to an overlook. Take a walk close by, or go down a walking trail. Tell you what, we have a beautiful area here in McRae County. Of course, a lot of it, a big portion of it's national forest land. You just can't beat the Big South Fork and the Daniel Boone National Forest. I really like it down in Scott County, Tennessee at the Bandy Creek area and Big South Fork and all that. Same colors, guys. So yeah, we just took us a walk together today, close by. Seeing what we can see. You never know what you might see. Sometimes we take a lot of things for granted. But get out and enjoy watching the squirrels and hearing the birds chirp and looking at the leaves and different things. Enjoy the water and different things. Oh yeah, he's having a blast. This ain't been bad at all. Just walked out the front door of the house and took me a walk. Was able to see plenty today. The views we get to see here on Earth. Can you imagine the heavenly views we're going to see one day? For those that are saved and have that relationship with the Lord Jesus, we're going to see some more views when we depart this life. But why not enjoy life now? I believe we should. Why not make the best of it in the right way, of course? This is one good way of it. Just walk around, be thankful for what He's done for you, what He's blessed you to be able to see. Woke up this morning, breathing. Look down and one more guy. See what? They might not be able to tell us much on the camera, but it's pretty dark down here. So yeah, I want to thank you for coming along. Who knows what kind of adventures we might get in on this channel. But we're sure going to get in plenty more, Lord willing. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Till next time, thank you.